Hello everybody and welcome to our FbCadCam tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to use the FbCadCam application using the DrawArcs tool. So the DrawArcs tool, it is a common use of creating a detailed drawing like floor plans, for the corner edges, for the kitchen sink, creating wheels, and to create a smiley face if needed. I don't know what's the other important purpose of DrawArcs, but all that I know is it is a great tool for FbCadCam. To use the DrawArcs tool, just click this icon for the DrawArcs. To use the DrawArcs, just click the left click button to start. You're going to create an arc. Then if you want to create a starting point of your arc, you can choose left or right in starting point. So for example, I choose the left starting point. So it looks like this. It's like a smiley face, as you can see in this video. So if you start in the right, then it alternates the arc tool, and the end point of your line is on the left, so you can draw arcs anywhere you want. So for the arc is if you want to change the size of it. If you want to change the starting point of your arc, just click this in the circle properties, and as you can see, the arc start is 179, so you can change it to 279. So as you can see, it cuts in the center of the arc, so it adjusted in 279. So at the arc end, I want to change it to 50, for example. So it expands the line in my endpoint in the right area, so it adds the 50. So my arc starting point is 279 and my arc end is 50. You can change the size of the endpoint or your arc whatever you want. Just go to the circle properties because you can adjust it, and you can change also the radius of your arcs. For example, like 250. So it expands and it is bigger. So I think that is the purpose of the DrawArcs. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.